Hello and welcome to another tutorial where I go through the primer level lesson book and the Faber series. This is the second edition, though your edition might be slightly different. The lesson concepts are the same. So we've already learned how to read C, D, and E around the two black notes. Now we're going to talk about finding F, G, A, and B around the groups of three black notes. You have to use the black notes to find which letters you're playing. There's only 7 letters and they just repeat across the piano. So every group of 3 black notes together like this has F, G, A, and B. So I like to have my students play and say the notes. And in this song, the first song that they have you learn these notes called the escalator, you just go up the piano playing F, G, A, and B. F, G, A, and B. I'm using my 2s and 3s in each hand, or my peace sign, or my bunny ears. And I'm pulling my fingers back so you can see what finger to play, and if you need to, you can do that, but I would recommend, if you don't need to pull your fingers back, have them in a more conventional piano shape, which is all fingers on the piano, or at least curved. My thumbs aren't going to really need to be on the piano, they're just kind of here around the edge. So again, I'm playing F, G, A, and B, and just learn how to play them and say them and spot them on the piano. Then after you go up the piano, try going back down. B, A, G, and F. And that's a good time to start quizzing your notes in these groups. So someone says, play a G, play a B, play an A, and then go back to your other group. Can I play a D? How about a C? And so on. Okay, in the next song, CDEFG March, we're going to learn how to play a little bit of each of those groups. And this is a really important exercise because it leads to something called your C5 finger scale. And I want you to take your right thumb and put it on this C right here, the one I have as a star. This is middle C. And on a full-length piano, it's the 4th C from the bottom of the keyboard. So you can't see, but down here I'm playing the lowest C on my piano. That's 1, 2, 3, and then I have 4 right here. Okay, so my right thumb's going to go there. I think that's the best place to start, but otherwise if you start in another group, that's okay. So right thumb's on middle C and my left pinky is on C, and if I play all my fingers side by side on their own white notes, I have C, D, E, F, and G in both hands. That is your C5 finger scale. You will use this position a lot. So now I'm going to play through the song, C, D, E, F, G, March. My left hand starts C, D, E, F, G, 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 F, E, D, C, C, C. Now the other hand, played softer, D, E, F, G, 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 F, E, D, C, C, C. So notice that the notes go up, they repeat, and then they step down, and we do that in each hand. If you want to add the dynamics, the forte, you start playing loud, and then when the right hand plays, it plays piano softly. Also notice that the notes are just one after the other. We're not skipping any notes. This is called stepping, which is also very important. That ought to be enough to get you started on the songs. Again, if you want to support the channel, just like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. Good luck and have fun.